So hello everyone, I have just updated my PC and see what I have got, 5 brand new features. So the first feature is your second sets of eye, that we can use Microsoft Copilot to quiz on any of the document we want. So it's an amazing feature. What here it is written is activate Copilot Wizard on Windows for helpful summaries to translate text or decipher images. Share your browser or an app, so we can directly share our browser just like we do in our mobile with Google Gemini. That's an amazing feature in Windows. Copilot can help with whatever you are working and even coach you through it aloud, and that's one of the fantastic thing about it. Let's move on to the next feature. So the next feature is very useful. I was eagerly waiting for this feature in my PC. So this feature is using your smartphone camera as your PC webcam. So what we can do is we can link our Android phone to our PC and we will have the option of using its camera for video call. Switch between front and back camera and control your video with flexibility and ease. And the next is saying goodbye to the password. We can directly use Windows Passkey to log in our accounts. Passkey with Windows Hellos offer password-free convenience on our PC. We can use a pin, face, or a fingerprint to sign in just like on our phone. I really don't like to put my password every time when I try to log in my account. Just using your fingerprint as we do in our phone will make it more convenient and easy to use. And last, in our Photos app in the Windows. So like it was never there, make the unwanted element in your photo disappear with generative AI. Just select the area which you don't want in the photo and that's AI will do the rest. The generative AI feature. And the next is to remove sensitive information from a screenshot. When we take screenshot in our PCs, there are various sensitive information we don't want to share with the other person. So when we make a screenshot with snapping tool, we will have the option of automatically or manually hiding the sensitive information. So that's all from this video. I hope you like this video.